sa mats.
Thank you,
Ay, taray, nag-guess. Uy, come on. Ay, 182,000 ano na yung mga naglalaro. Oh, grabe. Ang lakas nyo.
Saan mo nakikita?
Diyan yung may game, yung may ganun.
Oh.
Welcome, Wolfa.
Totoo ba yun? Yun
Kumpadre,
pala yun?
welcome.
Hindi, alam ko na based din sa drop na ano eh.
Ano?
Sa gift. Sa gift din yun.
Anong gift?
Thank you, Easy. Na ano, sa
laro
sa may
yun. Pagka naglalaro ako sa'yo, nadadagdagan.
Hindi, nakakount nga rin yung sa may ida-drop. Diba? Wait lang, check ko. Thank you so much, Easy. Thank you.
Shoutout sa ating 189 viewers. Hello po. Come, Snow. Pumapasok yung dump ng ano, oh.
Eto, sa may lucky, dalawang lucky sa tabi ng hat, merong times 500 tas times 1,000. Doon, pagka yun yung mga dinadrop mo, may chance na manalo ka. Kaya, doon din nakakount. Pag dinadrop sa'yo, yun yung nakakount din sa may parang, ano.
Hindi, tsaka nga yung game, pagka naglalaro ka ng slot.
Oo nga, kaya nga, hindi lang sa game nga, umiikot nga.
Kaya nga.
Thank you, AC!
Wewe, sinong di mo weweli dahil sa game na to ay di ka
Bobo, ba't ba nakatingala ka lagi?
Nangangalay na ako eh. Thank you, Aces!
Nakagano siya mag-live din.
Ron, welcome. Celestial Pat, welcome. Nangangalay na ako eh. Mimi Yong, welcome. Macy, thank you.
Maglagay ka kasi ng sandalan. Ako lagi akong may sandalan. Ngayon lang wala.
Choco, welcome to my life. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, AC. Elsie, welcome. Let's go.
Thank you.
220.
Thank you so much. Sino yung nag-draw? Ate Ria?
Oh, Corso, welcome.
Thank you, Ate Ria.
Happy 44,000 rubies. Yeah. Thank you, AC.
Magdadrop ako kasi meron akong
232
free na 10 coins sa'yo.
Yung game mo, grabe.
Ay, 2 lollipop. Hindi. Dito sa Lucky para may taya.
Taray ni Loki loving Pabi, oh. Grabe, ano, eh. Clover pa siya, oh.
Tamo, ang daya nito. Dinadropan ko siya, tapos siya dinadropan niya yung sarili niya.
Ay, hindi, sinubukan ko lang yung ano. Ito naman, napaka-ano mo, grabe ka. 2 nga lang yun, natitirang 8 coins nga lang yun, eh. Grabe
Joke
siya.
lang.
Ayan, guys. Come on, everybody. Naiina ako.
Umihi ka na kasi saglit lang naman.
Sige, mawawala. Sige, wait lang.
Bilisan mo, tumakbo ka na. I-irim mo na yun.
Bye, AC. Thank you.
Bilis! Ayan, di ba? Bilisan mo lang. Thank you, Jensky. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Sana'y maulit muli. Thank you, Jensky. Dami mo makikita sa message ko. Bakit? Si Miss R na naman ba yan? Okay lang, Miss R. Ganyan ka naman eh. Maganda siya kasi I'm a big fan of Lorraine Warren. Nakaka-sad lang kasi namatay na silang mag-asawa sa totoong buhay, so na-stop na yung kwento. Pero yun, mami-miss ko yung The Conjuring. Galing. Fan ako ng horror kasi talaga, kasi namana ko yun sa family ko. Lahat sila nanonood ng horror. Miss R, may ebidensya! Huli ka na! Huli ka na! Ganyan ka pa. Gusto naman ni Bubo yung mga ganun. Tinatry naman niya, fini-face naman niya yung fears niya. Hi, Ate Beth! Guys, tomorrow, Shock G ako Support niyo ako. Hala, ayan, iiyak-iyak. Ganyan eh. Ganyan kayo. Ka, Miss R ha, mag-promise ka sa akin.
Anong iiyak?
Si Miss R,
Bakit?
umiiyak.
Bakit?
Paano, binabackstab niya ako sa'yo. Tapos mayroong nagsisend sa akin ng mga ebidensya, tapos ngayon umiiyak siya dito.
O anong gagawin sa umiiyak?
Eh di iyak whale.
Iyak whale?
Yeah. Wala akong coins. Bigyan niyo nga akong coins. Gusto ko maglaro.
Punisher, ano sa tingin mo? Armsley, welcome.
Walang laman.
Hay. Nadali. Diligan mo. Ay, grabe, 323,000 na yung naglalaro sa akin. Grabe. Apakadami ninyo naglalaro sa akin ba?
Last order na yun.
Sisi Chocho,
Okay.
welcome.
Okay.
Guys, 5,015 na lang 50k na ako. Let's go.
Every time I wake up, you're my sarap up,
Day, welcome.
sarap up. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Bakit
Leo King, thank you for
nasasaktan?
following. Leo King, thank you. Kapwa King, welcome. Clyde, welcome. Last 15 minutes Let's extend 15 minutes.
Uy! Okay.
Angelic, Laika, All-Star, welcome. Nandito ka. Yung nag-win.
Ay, sakto pag umalis
Na 30 minutes ko. Ano ba yan?
Yeah! Okay lang yan.
Last na yan.
Nag-uusap naman tayo eh.
Ako'y kinakabagan. Ange, nanonood ka? Nandito ka, Ange.
Pag Cebu Idol, ilang days bago dumating ang order? Pag medyo malayo, ilang days ba bu? Pag via JNT, tas Cebu daw.
Mga 4 days?
4 days, 5 days. Siguro matagal na yung 6 days.
Ange, huwag ka muna matutulog. Antayin mo ako 30 minutes na lang.
Kuha na kayo guys bukas.
Wala
Hehe.
akong kasama mag-toothbrush.
Pangbawi lang. Ay.
Ano yung magkano Punisher? Kumakatok ka ba? Haba na ng buhok ko, guys. Lo.
Siguro nga, di ako yung tipo ng kaya gawin lahat para sa pamantayan mo. Pero sa kabila ng mga binit ako dito, yung inasahan ko tawanan bago mo ko
Comes, welcome. Lakas tama, ako'y nawawala. Nawawala kasi nakikita. Dream Echo, welcome back.
Gulat ako. Ang lakas.
Lakas.
Ano ba yan? Puso ko nag-first blood.
Wala akong ni-app. Punisher. Ayan o, nasa tabi ko. Yan.
Anong katabi? Sino ako?
Asawa ko. David, welcome. Heart lang ba yun?
Iba't
SD
kahapon
Zab,
lang.
welcome to my life. Let's go, guys. Come on. Iba 50k nyo na, Akis. Kanta ka nga. Hindi ako singer, BJ eh. Ito, singer. Si asawa ka.
Iba't kahapon lang.
Ano ka? Tao. Tao po. Ayun lang, Ate Joy. Wow! Ayan. So, sa mga talagang matibay sa puyatan, hello sa 182 viewers natin dyan. Shan, welcome. Silverstorm, welcome back. Sheila, welcome back. KJ, welcome. Shat23, welcome. Grateful Vibes, welcome. Shout out. Hello, 186 viewers. Mabuhay kayong lahat at may makatulog kayo ng mahimbing. Oh, matibay ka pa, BJ Aray. Gawang bakal no? Jensky, welcome back to my life. What are you doing, Bibidak?
Sa akin wala yan, Malaysia.
Anong ginagawa mo, Bibidak?
Nagpapasa ng draft.
Saan? Where?
Eisler.
Oh.
Nag-apply ulit ako.
Oh. Yun, yung ano? Again?
Ito nga yung tinapos ko nung isang araw. Okay, bawal kasi magpakita yata dito.
Yung oil?
No! Yung pang pimple.
Ano
Kaya
lang?
nag-flat yung mga tigyawat ko, di ba dumami?
Mm-mm.
Effective siya!
Ayun guys, effective daw. Pang pimple.
Oo. Sa mga may pimples lang naman.
Yes, sa
Kasi
mga walang
nag-breakout
pimples,
talaga.
gusto nyo manghingi ng pimples, magsabi
Ay
lang kayo.
guys, dahil mabait ako, sige, yung isang ganito ko, isasama ko sa giveaway.
Wow!
Isasama ko sa mystery box. Tapos papasponsor ako kay Bubu ng ilang
Anong mystery
goodies
box?
niya lang.
Yung sa iPhone ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hihingi ako ng goodies sa'yo
Okay. Di isa lang talaga ang magiging winner sa slots na yan.
Siguro pag umabot tayo ng 200 slots, meron tayong consolation prize.
Oh, yun. Let's go.
Please good night, baby. Can I get like this goodnight, baby? Before I let you go.
Guys,
Ah!
grabe yung laro ninyo, everybody.
Balato naman sa mga naglalaro. Bu, di ba ang onti ng kinain ko? Ngayon, gutom ako.
Paano gagawin natin ngayon?
Gusto kong matcha.
Gabi na.
Pero meron ako, magtitimpla ako mamaya.
Mainit na lang ang
Yes.
inumin mo.
Uy,
Dumiretso sa amin pagtapos sa club. I'm a flirt, malapit yung titig parang na in love. I'm a flirt, sumama siya sa
Ano
akin
kasi yung sasabihin?
I'm a flirt, kahit hanggang magdama. So baby please, sabihin mo sa
Lane, welcome.
nandirito, just baby don't lie.
FR Zerine, welcome.
Walang magagalit sa ating pagsasama.
Wow, last 22 minutes, everybody.
Kahit saan pa magpunta, basta tayong dalawa lang at wala nang iba. Hayaan mo yung iba, mga tropa sa hood, babe. Pagtungkol sa atin, wala silang alam. I'm a flirt, pag napadaan mga chicks dito sa hood. I'm a flirt, nakayayaan mag-smoke, may dala silang shook. Love at first sight, sound of sick curse one. Chorus at verse, yeah, ako daw first, yeah. I'm a flirt, pag napadaan mga chicks dito sa hood. I'm a flirt, nakayayaan mag-smoke, may dala silang shook. Love at first sight, sound of sick curse one. Chorus at verse, yeah, ako daw first, yeah. Anong pangalan mo, miss? Huwag sanang masamain. Gusto ka lang makilala, hinala ang buhay mo guguluhin. Di ako katulad ng mga naging lalaki mo. Di rin ako tulad ng mga naging babae mo. Wala akong alam sa mga putang sinasabi mo. Ang ganda ng ate mo, minsan pa lang dumaan, tapos nagsusungit pa. Pati ka nagsasalita, ayaw mo bang inulit ka? Sabihin mo lang.
Guys, 5,000 rubies to go.
Di naman kita pa paluhain. Dadalhin sa mga mamahalin.
Sa Parwolf, welcome.
Ang iyong puso at isip ng dami. Tandang tayo ay tatanda rin. I'm a flirt, pag napadaan mga chicks dito sa school. I'm a flirt, nakayayaan mag-smoke, may dala sila shook. Love at first sight, sound of sick curse one. Chorus at verse, yeah, ako daw first, yeah. I'm a flirt, pag napadaan mga chicks dito sa school. I'm a flirt, nakayayaan mag-smoke, may dala sila shook. Love at first sight, sound of sick curse one. Chorus at verse, yeah, ako daw first, yeah.
Ayun. Hi, CFAG. Welcome to my live. Ayan, shoutout po sa inyo lahat na nanonood na matibay. Ngayon ay nandito pa rin, nanunood kahit wala pa tayong masyadong pinag-uusapan. So, meron na lang po tayong 9. Thank you, PL!
yes, let's go, guys. Ayan, 40 minutes na ako.
Thank you!
Mag-ano tayo, Bu? Para magkaroon pa tayo ng more tips. Ikaw muna mauna.
Ano yun?
Mag-play ka ng drums, tapos magpe-play ako ng song. Ikaw muna.
Magda-drums, konti na lang din yung time ko.
Ayaw mo, 19 minutes pa, oh.
Ano yung itutugtog ko?
Ikaw bahala. Tigisa tayo, tapos after mo mag-drums, ako naman kakanta ako.
Nahiya na ako mag-drum, daming nanonood.
Ay, yun nga yung goal, eh.
Thank
Show
you,
your
PL!
talent.
Kyra, welcome! Guys, 3,700 na lang. 50k na tayo.
Even with the clothes on,
Thank you, Vision Echo.
can't help it, I can't keep my hands to myself. When you rock that pixie cut, girl, you give 'em hell. And when you take that 18-inch out that bonnet, you be feeling yourself. Either way, it's fine by me. Girl, just be yourself. Loving the way that you walk, talk, pop out.
Ge.
Fine as
Okay.
hell.
Last
Girl, you
drum,
upgrade
guys.
my life. So you give
Okay.
me
Anong last? Kahit tatlo.
Ge.
Okay yan. More tips.
Ala akong ano eh. Ala akong...
More tips, more quota. Kaya mo yan.
Can count the years on hand that we've been together. I need the other way to hold you, make you feel better. It's not a walk in the park to love each other, but when our fingers interlock, can't deny you're worth it. 'Cause after all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst nights, I'm into you. Let 'em wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. After all this time, I'm still into you. Recount the night that I first met your mother, and on the drive back to my house, I told you that I loved you. You felt the weight of the world fall off your shoulder, and to your favorite song we sang along to the start of forever. And after all this time, I'm still into you. I should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst nights, I'm into you. Let 'em wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. After all this time, I'm still into you. Some things just make sense to one of those is you and I. Some things just make sense to even after all this time. I'm into you, baby. Not a day goes by that I'm not into you. Should be over all the butterflies, but I'm into you. And baby, even on the worst nights, I'm into you. Let 'em wonder how we got this far, 'cause I don't really need to wonder at all. Yeah, after all this time, I'm still into you. I'm still into you.
Yes! Palakpakan! Parang okay din yung mga ganito, no? Yung salitan. Galing.
Ito yung nire-request mo yung ano yung Hannah Montana ba yun?
Yun yung in-the-next mo. Ako naman. Okay. Palakpakan naman natin si Bubu. Ang galing! Pagka magpipiki, ganito gawin natin. Nagsasalitan tayo. Para sila yung mapagod. Sila yung mapagod magparit-parito.
Guys, come on. 3,000 na. Yan. Welcome, Cookie. Moko Ira. Welcome. Jocelyn Carpio, welcome to my live. Okay, si Bubo na.
Kakagutom.
Ay, welcome Apex. Akala ko drop elephanteng entrance pala. Apex, welcome.
Chill lang ako eh.
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hanggang yakapin? Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako pa kaya ibigin mo? Kung maputi na ang buhok pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong mangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Hindi ko pa kaya mag-crack-crackan na tugtog eh. Unang kanta ko eh.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang
Isa pang kanta, dadrum ako. Dali, sasabay ako, Bo. Isa pang kanta,
Thank you so much.
Bo, sasabayan kita.
Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko kaya Ray Valeria.
Isa pang kanta, sasabayan kita. Drum.
Hindi eh, hindi tugma eh.
Hindi tugma?
Hindi, kasi nanonood ako dito, sinasabayan kita kanina, medyo late ako.
Hindi. Kasi nanonood ka dyan. Dapat dito sa akin, PK. Hindi dyan.
Hindi nga, nalilate nga. Late nga ako dito, kaya nga pinanonood kita.
Naririnig mo ako ngayon.
Oo.
Oh, ayun pala. Hindi.
Hindi,
Parang
late
video
nga
call.
ni.
Try nga lang nga. Kasi pinanonood mo ako dyan sa, nagtitingin ka ng comments dyan. Kaya hindi tumutugma.
Hindi. Nag-alafan ba ako?
Oh. Ah,
Tapos
sige.
sinasabayan kita kanina, I should be over all the butterflies. Ako medyo nalilate dito sa screen.
Ganun.
Dito. Hindi siya talaga sabay.
Oh, tawag dito, magsabay tayong bibilang ako ng 3. Bibilang ako 3, tapos sasabihin mo lang game. Game 1, 2, 3, game!
Ah?
Hindi. Pagdating ng 3, game. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Okay.
go. 1, 2, 3, game!
Game!
Ang bagal mo!
Oh, sabay lang naman eh. Sabi ko nga late kasi ako.
O, bilang tayo ulit.
Hindi
1,
talaga tayo magsasabay. Hindi kasi
bumilang
tayo.
na lang tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. Bilang tayo. 1, 2, 3, go. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Kasabay kita.
Hindi.
Siyempre, di mo ako sinasabayan eh.
Ay, sinasabayan naman kita.
Hindi mo ako sinasabayan.
Ay? Magiging magulo. Okay lang yan. Mag-solo ka na muna. Kasi sila rin naman mahirapan eh. Pag sabay din tayo, oh.
Oh,
Pagka nagsabay din tayo, if ever, sila rin yung magpaparit-parito. So, ganun lang din.
talent nila yun.
Hindi, magiging magulo tayo kasi yung wifi natin hindi naman magkasabay ng
O,
lakas.
sige na. Okay na yun.
Parang messenger lang. Kasi parang call to eh. So, hindi talaga magtutugma.
Anong title nun?
Best of both world. Gusto ko yun yung dinadrum mo. Kasi ang energetic. Let's go! Let's give it up for Princess Bartolome! Ay, Pabi pala. One and only Pabi!
Panggiting ko pangalan mo. Tingnan mo.
Ay, wow, kala mo naman nakapost nga sa FB yung buong pangalan mo, may agwas pa eh. galing, 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 galing! Palakpakan naman natin si Bubu. Andito ako sa comment section nyo dyan.
Oh, after mo bu, last na.
Oo! Oo na! Mag-e-end ka na.
Magtu-toothbrush pa nga ni ako nga. Baka makatulog yung
Ala,
asawa.
hindi naaabot, hindi na matatapos yung kanta ko.
Ay, sige lang. Meron pa. May punishment pa yan.
Ayaw nga po.
Yun na. Kanta ka na. Let's go. Palakpakan sa aking bibidak.
Gugutom ako. Walang warm up, warm up.
Swaying warm as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. Two by two their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still a world away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Trying hard to control my heart. I walk over to where you are. Until I really know words at all. Slowly now we begin to move. Every rhythm deeper into you. Soon we two are standing still in time. If you're in my life, you see I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you'll know it's true. Think of the I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. You feel it in my kiss because I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my kiss. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you. Crazy for you. Oh, oh, oh. And it's so brand new, yeah. I'm crazy for you, but you know it's true. I'm crazy for you, but it's so brand new. I'm crazy for you, and you know it's true. I'm crazy for you. Crazy for you, baby. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Yun,
Thank you, Ate
palakpakan
Ria.
naman. Merong biglang tumalon sa akin dito. Oh.
Kakawakochi.
Guys, last drop. Mag-end
Thank
na
you.
po ako.
Thank you, guys.
Last 1 minute and 44 seconds, guys. Mag-end na po ako, guys.
Happy 31,884, guys. Kaya
Happy
natin
Kota.
to.
Happy birthday. Thank you so much sa mga nag-drop sa akin.
Happy Kota, asawa! Ay.
Thank you. Ba't nanampal ka?
Good night, Ate Rhea.
Ayan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ate
po.
Rhea. Top 1, 32,000 rubies. Inday Josie, 4,580.
Thank you, Ate
BL,
Rhea.
4,347
Sleep well.
rubies. AC, 4,259 rubies. Real Runs, 1,300 rubies. Thank you so much po. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds, guys. Last drop na po tayo. Ilang minutes ka pa, Bo?
Nakaka 1 hour and 2 minutes na ako.
Okay. Guys, last 54 minutes. Last drop na po. Grabe. Ciao, welcome. Ay, seconds pala. Sorry. Uy, last 35
Guys, ako
seconds, guys.
tatapusin ko pa yung oras ko pagka ND Bubu. Tuloy pa rin ako kasi kailangan ko maka 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Kaya lipat tayo. Magsosolo tayo.
Last 20 seconds, everybody.
Kakawa! Baboy. Bachog
Last
ka na,
drop.
bochog. Bochog na yan.
Mm.
Bochogin.
Bye-bye, boo. Bye, boo.
Ayan, so tayo na lang mag-isa. Yan na si Bubu. Ano ba yun? There's something in my hair. Dumi. Okay, so pagpapatuloy guys, pakota tayo guys tonight. Kaya natin to guys. Sing along with me. Nates! Request ka, dali!
Why is that sad look in your eyes? Why are you crying? Tell me now, tell me now, tell me why you feel this way. I hate to see you so down, oh baby. Is it your heart? Oh, that's breaking on pieces, making you cry, making you feel blue. Is there anything that I can do? Why don't you tell me where it hurts now, baby? And I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make those tears all go away. Just tell me where it hurts now, tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. Oh, and you let me say I love all of the hurt away. Thank you, gentle angels. Where are those tears coming from? Why are they falling? Somebody left your heart in the mood. Just need somebody to hold. Oh, baby, give me a chance to put back all the pieces. Take a broken heart, make it just like you. Somebody's like you. Why don't you tell me where it hurts now, baby? And I love you with a love so tender. Yes, I'll take my best to make those tears all go away. Just tell me where it hurts now, tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. Oh, and if you let me say I love you, hurt away. Thank you, everyone. Ooh, no, baby. Is it your heart? Oh, that's breaking all in pieces, making you cry, making you feel blue. Is there anything that I can do? Why don't you tell me where it hurts? Don't tell me, and I'll do my best to make it better. Yes, I'll do my best to make those tears don't go away. Just tell me where it hurts. Now tell me. And I love you with a love so tender. And if you let me stay, I'll love all of the hurt away. Tell me, ooh, yeah. Is there anything that I can do, babe? Just tell me where it hurts, now tell me. And I love your bitter love so tender. Oh, and if you let me stay, I love the hurt away. Thank you, Berlin. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Queen Ganda. Thank you, Rochella. Is it your heart too? I'd like to say we gave it a try. I'd like to blame it all on life. And maybe we just weren't right. But that's a lie. That's a lie. And we can't deny it as much as we want. But in time, our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later, we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be too worlds apart. But right here in each other's arms, and we almost knew what love was. But almost is never enough. The world overnight, there'd be no such thing as goodbye. You'd be standing right where you were. We get a chance we deserve. No, try to deny it as much as you want, but in time our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough. Need to see. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted to, then maybe we wouldn't be two worlds apart. But right here in each other's hearts, and we almost knew what love was. Almost is never enough. 'Cause sooner or later, I wonder why we give up. The truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you want me the way I wanted you, then maybe we wouldn't be too worlds apart. But right here in each other's arms, and we almost knew what love was. Almost is never enough. Thank you so much. This almost is never enough.
Tayo'y naririto. Di ko yata alam to eh. Search ko. Tingnan ko Di ako sure. Parang di ko alam. Ala, hindi ko to alam. Next! Iba na lang. Inantok. Hoy, hindi tayo broken ngayon. Nag-broken tayo kahapon eh. Ate Joy, 18K na lang. Oh, bilis. Biel, thank you! Listen, Echo, thank you. Thank you, BL. Huwag to, ayoko, hindi tayo broken ngayon. Ate Joy, alam mo yung gusto ko. Hindi ko kasi afford kasi mahal. Butos na lang. Nakakanta ba yun? Sabi ng masakit sa first time. Iniwan ka ng asawa mo. Hindi tayo, ayoko nang malungkot. Okay, pop music tayo ngayon. Kahit ilang minutes na lang. Sana matapos na. Tatapusin yata ni VL eh. Ay! VL, tatapusin nga ni VL! Thank you, VL! Okay, wala akong setup. Hindi ko madama yung pagkanta ko. Parang...
Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only. Oh my. Take me on a date, I deserve a bait, and don't forget the flowers at the end of
never so rude. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, but buying what you think of you. You got the 9 to 5, but baby, so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home making up for pies. I'll never learn a book. You know I write a book. Kiss sing along with me. Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady. Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special love thing, tell me you're beautiful each and every night. After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body fine. And then if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, make up for me. Don't leave me lonely. You will never see your family more than mine. I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Hey, open doors for me and you might get some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind. Just be a classy guy. Buy me a ring, buy me a ring, babe. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special love, then tell me you're beautiful each and every night. Oh, future husband, better love me right. Thank you so much, that's dear future husband. Thank you. Hi, Boo Boo. Lalaro ka? Let's go. Happy 35K, guys. Kaya natin to. May 10 minutes pa. Ay, daw siya ng laro. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear. I ain't no size 2, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to. So I got that boom boom that all the boys chase in all the right places. I see the magazines working the Photoshop. You know that shit ain't real. Come on, don't make it stop. If you got beauty, just raise them up. 'Cause every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Yeah, my mama, she told me don't worry about your size. She says boys like a little more booty to hold tonight. You know I won't be no stick figure, still ain't nobody doll. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass. Hey, I'm pretty good at that. Go ahead and tell them skinny bitches hi. No, I'm just playing, no, you think you're flat. But I'm here to tell you every interview is perfect from the bottom to the top. Now my mama, she told me don't worry about your size. She says boys like a little more booty to hold at night.
You know I won't be no stick figure still in the Barbie doll. So if that's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Because you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, because you know I'm all about the bass, I said I'm all about that bass, No, I'm all about the bass, I said I'm all about the bass, I said I'm all about the bass, Oh, I'm all about the bass. I'm all about the bass. I'm all about the bass, by the bass. Hey, 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 yeah. Ooh, you know this bass. Thank you so much. That's all about that bass by Megan Trainor. Thank you. 15K rupees na lang. Come on. Come on, everybody, people in the world. Thank you.
Mag-comment naman kayo. Tignan nyo pagka hindi broken yung kinakanta ko, tahimik nyo ah.
Yeah, thank you.
Nananalo to. Nananalo si BL.
Some boys kiss me, some boys love me. I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can beg and they can please, but they don't see the light. 'Cause the boy with the cold hard cash is always Mr. Right. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Some boys romance, some boys romance, that's all right with me. If they can raise my interest, then I have to let them be. Some boys try and some boys lie, but I don't let them play. Only boys that take their pennies make my rainy day. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl.
Mas lalo akong gaganda pag pumota ako.
Material. Woo. Material. Boys may come and boys may go, and that's alright, you see. Experience has made me rich, and now they'll left to me. 'Cause everybody's living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Thank you, Biel. In a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. A material, a material, a material, a material world. Material.
Thank you so much, this material girl. Thank you, thank you.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battles. Pick yourself up and dust yourself up and back in the saddle. You're in the front line, everyone's watching.
Piso, dali, party.
The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all. Believe it, if you forget up, and if you forget up, cause this is Africa. Waka waka, this is for Africa. Thank you, Len Herrera. Thank you. Let's go. Last drop. Listen to your gut, choose your mother. You're the to shine, knowing the light of comes for todo. People are raising their expectations. Go in and feel it, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today is your day, I feel it. You paved the way, believe it. If you get down, get up, when you get down, get up, coming up in that cycle, this time for Africa, coming up in the, waka waka, coming up in the cycle, anawa, coming up in the, waka waka, coming up in the cycle, this time for Africa. Let's go, everybody, party drop, come on. Thank you. Welcome, cause this is Africa.
Sana before mag-12 mga kota tayo, guys.
Hi, boo-boo. Waka waka, samina sagalawa, anawa, samina, waka waka, samina sagalawa. This time for Africa. This time for Africa.
Thank you, Yellow Heart.
This time for Africa.
Let's go, People Nation. Sana naman mag-ingay din kayo, no? Ang energetic ng mga kinakanta ko, ang tamlay nyo. Hirap yung pasayahin.
Hello, baby, you call like you're a thing. I have got no service in the club, say. What did you say? Oh, you're breaking up on me. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kind of busy. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kind of busy. Just a second, it's my favorite song they're gonna play, and I cannot get to it. Yeah. You should have made it. Stop calling me, I'm kind of busy. Stop calling, I don't wanna think anymore. I left my head and my heart on the dance floor. Stop calling, I don't wanna think anymore. I left my head and my heart on the dance floor. I'm busy. Stop telephoning me. You can call what you want, and someone won't be look at I reach my telephone. Sit the number, you know, reach my telephone.
Papahinga ko.
But the way you're going up my phone will make it go faster. But not go long faster. Leave my girl go faster. You should've left my phone at home, cause this is a disaster. Calling like a collector. Sorry I cannot answer.
Ayoko na nga niya. Guys, pakonta na tayo kon! Ubus na yung oras natin bago ako mag-end.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Part 2. I listen so deep in your eyes. I touch you more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2, 3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my pride is no one to blame. No, I don't understand. Just how you're looking through, I know I'm scared. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you face me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. When I talk to my friends so quietly, look at what you did to me. Tennis shoes don't even know you do that. Even when they're not. It's the way that you know that I gotta do. It's a beat in my heart loving you. Still don't understand. It's how you love and do it, not understand.
Thank you, Parasol!
Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me holding your face right now. Your kiss got me looking crazy right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love.
Hindi ko na alam. Thank you, Parasol! Before mag-12 na ako mag-end, sayang naman. Na-late kasi tayo mag-live, guys, eh. Kasi nahilo ko sa seafood. Thank you, Parasol! Happy 37,276! Let's go for 40K! Hi, Jake Chow. Try lang.
Pretty baby with a high heels on. You give me fever like I've never ever known. You're just a product of loveliness. I like the feel of the warmth your top, your dress. I'll feel your fever from the miles around. I'll pick you up in my car and we'll break it down. Just kiss me, baby, yeah, tell me twice that you're the one for me. The way you're making me feel, you really me up on my feet, my baby. My lonely days are done.
Hirap ng kanta.
Like the feeling you're giving me. Just hold me, baby, and I'm in ecstasy. Oh, I'll be working from 9 to 5 to buy you things to keep you by my side. I've never felt so in love before. Thank you. Just promise, baby, you'll love me forevermore. I'm sorry keeping you satisfied. 'Cause you're the one for me, the way you're making me feel. You really turn me on. You knock me off on my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone. Nababahing na ako. Woo! Yeah! Come on! Come on, girl! Ano? 38K, come on! I never felt so in love before. Promise, baby, you'll love me forevermore. I'm sorry, keeping you satisfied. 'Cause you're the one for me, the way you're making me feel. You really turn me on. You knock me off on my feet now, baby. My lonely days are gone.
Hi, Jordan! Thank you, Len! Papatulog na nga ako.
Peace of mind.
Parang ako lang masaya. Tulog na.
Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Lonely world, the scene in inner pain till we appear, and the soul felt its worth. The thrill of home, the weary world rejoices, for yonder reigns a new and glorious morn. From your knees, oh, hear the angel voices on night divine. Holy night, when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night divine.
Uy, konti na lang. Kaya natin yan.
She was lost in so many different ways, out in the darkness with no light. I know the voice. Ang bilis, mapadali ka. Know the cause of losing is never for the grace of God. Go high. Didn't know you are my last, my first, and then I hear this voice inside. Ave I've been alone when I'm surrounded by friends. How could it silence me so loud? But I still go home, knowing that I've got you. There's only us when the lights go down. My heaven on earth, you are my hunger, my thirst. I always hear this voice inside singing Ave Maria. Sharia. Ay, malapit na tayo mag-end. Sometimes love can come and pass you by while you're busy making plans. Suddenly hit you and then you realize it's out on your hands. Baby, you've got to understand, 'cause you are my heaven, you are my last, my first, and then I hear this voice inside. Thank you, Bial. Thank you, Luis. Thank you so much. That's Ave Maria. Obvious naman, di ba? Hi, Shawi, to all of you sa mga bagong pasok. Hello, everybody. Guys, before mag-reset, baka naman last drop. Thank you, VL.
Bluetooth connected.
Malapit na! Uy, ayoko sumayaw. Baka maban ako eh. Naka-shorts po ako. Lo, Emmy. Bawal na, mababan ako. Wala na, 6 minutes na lang nga. 4 minutes. Oo nga, Ate Joy, bakit ba walang bakota ngayon?
Baby, not tonight. I don't wanna bust it fight. I just wanna make it right. Ooh, there's work to do. I wanna get real close to you. I wanna get you in the mood. Want to do. Just relax, and I'll take care of you. And every time you want it, I'm saying that I love you every day. And you know that you love me, baby, admit. Give me all your love and don't stop. I love waiting when you reach the top all night long. Come into my bedroom, honey. When I got to make spend money all night long. You know that you love me. So if you just give me a chance, I can still show you romance. I know that you still the same. So stop playing hard to get. Let's make love like we first met.
Papatapos din na lang ng oras.
Relax and I'll take care of you. And every time you want me, I'm saying that I love you every day. And know that you love me, baby, admit it. Give me all your love and don't stop. I love waiting when you reach the top all night long. Come into my bedroom, honey. When I got to make spend money. Thank you, mahal.
Ayan, mag-e-end na ako, guys. Thank you! Bago mag-reset. Thank you, Maywaga. So, thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. Shout out to my top 10. Guys, dito na lang po kami nagte-thank you, ha? Di na kami pwede mag-thank you sa channel, okay? Guys, take note na lang. Chat na lang sa GC, sa Messenger. Pasabi na lang Ate Joy na hindi na kami mag-update doon. Hindi na kami magtitiyo dahil low-key na tayo dito. Thank you, guys. By the way, thank you to our top 1, Ate Ria. Thank you, PLAC, Yellow Heart, Ate Joy, Angel, Inday Josie, Mystic, Everlyn, RGE. Thank you, guys. Bye! I love you all. Talking tayo. Bye! Good night!